washouts get pretty bad sometimes down here. One of those trails you might actually find another rig on. Well, there's a few other guys that come through here. Side by sides and whatnot. It's a fucking beautiful day for it. Oh, that sounded expensive. The camera is not going to do justice for how steep these ruts are. Let's see. I think I actually want to be over skosh. Woo! So I'm not jumping around here. Better view of what I was riding on there. Tippy is all hell. Just took a stick to the head. Ooh, a Home Depot bucket in the wild. Too much tire pressure. 15 degrees sideways right now. Right up to those trees. Definitely need fatter tires. Trails like these. Woo! Nope. Don't like that. What's my best line here? Slide. Surprised they still have cell service. Alright. That's the sketchiest part out of the way. other stick. Ah, teetering. Oh, black flies, how I hate you. They're only gonna get worse because this gets pretty wet down the bottom. Ooh. You get some WD-40 on that brake pedal. Sounds like I got a mouse in my firewall. Alright, I'm gonna stop riding the brake. My GPS is just solid green. It's like, I got no fucking idea where you are, dude. Probably won't need four-wheel drive again. I say that. These rocks might line up perfectly to fuck me up. Yikes! Just had to jinx it. Oh! Yeah, I know. At least you're just a camera. I had to actually feel it. Ow! Oh my god. It's pretty rugged through there. I totally lost sight of that. Sounds like we got a hitchhiker. There's a stick under the driver's side. Somebody's been through here. I don't think those are my ruts. I haven't been down in here since there was snow on the ground. Damn near a month ago, probably. danger zone. I think I cleared that. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, yeah. Jesus. Asshole. Sip of coffee. Get me through it. There we go. Had to get out. Not really. Probably out of 4 or 5 videos that I've done, this is going to be the most rugged trail I've been through. Oh, beats the fuck out of you, that's for sure. Oh wow, that washed out quite a bit. Whoa! Rockin'. Sliding. Better off doing this. Yep. I think I'll fit right in the middle here. Leaning like a motherfucker. Sliding. Yeah. This has gotten... had a rough spring, I will say that. Leaning. This turn into a core exercise. Some fucking big rocks, man. I just wonder if it's ledge. Somewhere fun. Almost looks like someone's old trail. Woo! Steep. Not really sure what to do with that. What's on the other side of it, I suppose. Don't think I want to do that. Maybe we might be able to straddle it. Skid plate. Ooh, that sounds expensive. Not really, that's what it's built for. I somehow have not broken the plastic skid plate. I was gonna replace it with a metal one when I broke it, but I still haven't even cracked it. Boney. Hey! Looks like we're coming up to a down tree. Ow! Fucking stick to the forehead again. I can just jump over it. Famous last words, eh? Oh. Babbling Brook. Okay. Spoke too soon. Oh, I got dirty. Come on, baby, hop. I'm gonna break something. Holy fuck, really? Yeah, buddy! Yeah. Tree 0, us 1. Good job. Good job, Bromco. Alright. Now for the fun end here. This end of the trail is nice and flat. stream. Fucking God's country out here. Wake up the neighborhood. Hello. I'm in your backyard. Alright, I gotta pee. Give me some privacy.